Price hike!
Oh my God!
Price hike! Everyone is raising their prices because of inflation, while at Magic John, we are lowering the prices. Even these garbage cables, look at this. While our 4-in-1, 240 watt fast charging cable, and wait. Now watch this. While our 4-in-1, 240 watt fast charging cable, we are lowering the prices with our back to school sale. You can get up to 20% off. And then when you buy 2 of these, we give you another 20% off. Now look at what it has. It has Lightning USB with 2 additional Type-C ports, making it compatible with pretty much any device that you can think of. It supports up to 240 watt fast charging, which means you can use it for years and transfer all your devices at maximum supported speeds at all times. It also transfers data for an old iPhone that's 20, new iPhone 30, any other device is up to 240. As long as your charger and device supports them, this can do it all. It's also built to last. The connectors are reinforced with zinc alloy and the cable liquid silicone. So you can pull, bend, twist, and nothing is going to happen to these. We also throw in this nice carry bag. There are 2 colors, 2 lengths, and if you like it, just as I said, back to school sale, 20% off.